Hello guys and welcome. In this tutorial we will be discussing how to enter a new line in chatgpt. Whether you are new to using this powerful language model or you are a seasoned user, this is a skill that you will find useful, so let's dive in. Navigate to the chatgpt website at openai.com. Once you are on the home page, you will see the Try ChatGPT button on the left corner of the screen. Click on it. Then you will be redirected to the login page. Here to sign in, you need to click on the login button. You also need to enter your registered email address or username and password and press continue button to log in. To start a new line in ChatGPT, simply hit the enter key on your keyboard followed by shift key. This will create a new line below the one you are currently typing in. For example, if you were typing hello world and hit enter, the next line would be empty and ready for you to type in. You can also use the shift plus enter key combination to create a line break without starting a new paragraph. This is helpful and useful when you want to add the line of text without leaving a large gap between paragraphs. For instance, if you want to write this is a line of text and then immediately start a new line, you can use the shift plus enter keys to achieve this. Another way to create a new line in ChatGPT is to use the \n command. This is a special character that represents a line break. For example, if you wanted to write line 1, line 2, and line 3, and every line is in its own row, you would type line 1 \n, line 2 \n, and line 3 \n in the chat box. So that's it. You now know 3 different ways to enter a new line in ChatGPT. Practice using each method to see which one works best for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorials.